Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video, we are going to look at the second task of the speaking module, PT Repeat Sentence. Repeat sentence, very important module. At the same time, if you practice, you can boost your speaking and listening score. Repeat sentence is going to give you a lot of points in speaking as well as in listening. What happens in this task? This task, you'll get an audio with a sentence. The sentence can be anywhere between 8 to 16 words long. As soon as the audio stops, your recording will start and you'll have to repeat the sentence in the same order as it was in the audio. This task will give you points in speaking and listening. How is this marked? This is marked on three parameters: fluency, pronunciation, and content. What is fluency? Fluency is your flow. Fluency is not about going too fast or going too slow, it's just speaking in a natural flow. What is pronunciation? Making sure whatever words you speak clearly. What's content? Content is something which is tricky in repeat sentence, is very important because fluency and pronunciation will give you points in speaking and the content part is going to give you points in listening. So in order to boost your listening score, you have to boost your content. How you get full points in content? Speaking fluency will give you 5 points. A repeat sentence, one repeat sentence is 13 points. You get 5 points of fluency, 5 points out of pronunciation, and 3 points in content. To get 3 on 3, you have to repeat, according to Pearson's guideline, you have to repeat 100% of the sentence in correct order. If you repeat more than 50%, less than 100%, you get 2 on 3. If you repeat more than 25%, less than 50%, you get 1 on 3. But with my experience, having taught PT to thousands of students and teaching PT for the last 5 years, what I have figured out, I've scored 90 10 times in the PT test. What I have figured out is you don't really need to repeat 100% content in order to get 3 on 3. Even if you repeat around 80% content, clearly and confidently, you can get 3 on 3. So mark my words, note it down. In order to get 3 on 3 in your content part, you just need to repeat 80% of the sentence. I'm 100% sure about it. And this is something which I have figured out taking the test again and again. And these are my scorecards as well. Now, students do get points in fluency and pronunciation, but they do struggle with content. They are not able to repeat the sentence or they're not able to remember or recall the sentence. What I'm going to show you now, I'm going to show you the strategies which will help you retain maximum content and repeat maximum content. Now, very first strategy is just memorizing the sentence. Whatever sentence you'll get in the audio will have some meaning. It's not that they'll just give you random words. Whatever sentence will be there will have some meaning. What you need to do is, I'll recommend not writing anything in repeat sentence. Rather, I'll recommend that you understand the meaning of the sentence, you understand what the sentence is, and as much as you remember, speak it clearly and confidently. I'll show you an example. I'll share my screen and show you what you have to do when you don't have enough content, when the sentence is long, or when you're not able to recall something. Let me share my screen, that will give you a better idea. All right, let's say this is the sentence. This is how your screen is going to look like. This is the audio bar. This is your recording bar, right?
We have been doing research in that area for probably 25 years.
We have been doing research in that area for some years, and I'm very happy. Now, what happened here, right? I was not able to recall the last part, which was for 25 years, something like that. I was not able to recall it. So I just spoke. We have been doing research in some area for 25 years, and I'm very happy. Now, you'll say, why did I add and I'm very happy? Because that is something which will help me. Fillers are something which will help me maintain my fluency. Now, why I am telling you to add fillers? Remember this thing. When you don't have enough content, a lot of students, what they do is, we have been doing research probably yeah, no. Other one student is going to speak it this way, thinking a lot, having a lot of pauses, trying to recall the content, giving a lot of fumbles and all. Another student will speak it this way: we have been doing research about this for long years and I'm very happy. Now both of them, they have similar content, right? This person is going to get around 2 on 3 in content and this person is going to get 2 on 3 as well. But the difference is fluency and pronunciation. This guy, the first guy, he took a lot of pauses, a lot of hesitations were there. He's going to lose points in fluency and pronunciation. The second guy spoke less content, but whatever he spoke clearly and confidently. He is not going to lose a single point in fluency. In pronunciation, might be he'll lose 1 point in content, but still he'll end up getting 12 on 13, whereas this person will only get 7 on 13. What I'm trying to say here is understand the sentence as much as you remember, speak it clearly and confidently, don't stop. If you don't have enough content, make something by yourself and add a filler. With filler, you can just say, and I'm very happy. Adding words won't really lead to a negative scoring over here, but will help you maintain your fluency and pronunciation. Second thing, a lot of students do ask me, should we take down the notes while the audio is going on? I'll say it's not a very good idea, but if you're very fast at taking notes, do take down notes, but do not try to write the whole sentence. What you can do is you can write first 4 or 5 words and then remember the last 4, 5, 6 words. That way, if you have first 4, 5 words in front of you, you'll get a very good start and you'll be able to speak the sentence in a clear and fluent manner. Whatever strategy you're following, what I want you to do is I want you to understand the meaning of the sentence. If you understand the meaning of the sentence, you'll be able to speak fluently and you'll be able to repeat more content. I am repeating again and again. Whenever I have been for the test, last 10 attempts, I've got 90. I've got 90 in listening as well. I always mess up 2, 3, or 4 repeat sentence. No one can repeat 15 words long sentence in a clear and fluent manner. Rather, what I want you to do is even if you repeat 70 to 80% content, but speak clearly and fluently, you will be 100% fine. Now, what I want you to do is understand the meaning of the sentence as much as you remember, speak it clearly and confidently. If you don't have enough content, just say, and I'm very happy and move on. Yes, out of 12 repeat sentences, if you repeat 7 or 8, around 90%, and remaining 4 or 5, around 70 to 80%, you can easily get 79 plus. That is what I want to say. Understand the sentence as much as you remember, speak it clearly and confidently. To practice, you can go on languageacademy.com.au or download LAPT exam practice app. This app is going to help you crack your PT in the very first go. Before you go for the test, take a free full score mock test on the website. We'll give you a clear idea of where you stand and what you need to work on. That's it from this video. Hope the video was helpful. If you need any more help, do let me know in the comment section. We have got our branches in Australia and India, and we do provide online classes all around the globe. If you need any help, contact us on the numbers below. Go on Language Academy, register for free, start practicing. If the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you do not give up. If I've done it, you can do it as well. Practice 35 repeat sentence. Remember the logic. As much as you remember, speak clearly and confidently and move on. In the test, you will mess up 2 or 3 repeat sentence, but that's not a concern. You should not worry about it. Thank you. I'll see you very soon.